Water came up to right about here on the steps. This is a good 4.5 feet high.
John O'Sullivan's front yard literally turned into an ice rink for the kids here in Green Harbor. His home on the Marshfield-Duxbury line, some 200 yards from the seawall, suffering most of its damage to the yard itself. Across the street, Rose Lally, whose house sits on the Cut River, was hit much, much harder.
And there was a full force raging flood going through the yard.
And that's when you lost both cars?
That's when we lost both cars. You couldn't even get out of the house. Refrigerator and freezer in the garage, the vegetable crispers on the bottom were full of ice and water when we went out there. Everything was on the floor. It was so forceful, it just took everything and dumped it.
Sean Patterson, Assistant Deputy Superintendent for the Marshfield DPW, met us a quarter mile away on Bay Ave in Green Harbor and showed us where the seawall was undermined, causing damage to nearby homes and the street itself.
Well, the wave action we had, it blew over the top of the wall, undermined the wall from behind, and left a gaping hole down to the shoreline.
Did anybody expect this kind of flooding here?
Absolutely not. Worst flooding I've heard since '78.
From there, we took a short drive to the Ocean Bluff section of Marshfield, where they also experienced a great deal of flooding. Tom Wright and his wife managed to dodge a pretty big bullet and some major waves as well.
And the waves were going right over the house, and it was just smashing up against the windows, and everything was pretty tough. Crazy storm.
Tom Wright and his wife suffered just minor damage to the exterior of the house. As you saw, other people not so lucky. The town of Marshfield says it's going to be another 4 or 5 days until they get back to normal. In Marshfield, Duke Castiglione, News Center 5.